morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here under the IC project 2019-20, and we are here to have a group discussion on the topic career counseling under the activity number 6. Career counseling basically is a process that will help you to know yourself, your capabilities, your abilities, and that will guide you what to choose, which path you are going to choose in your future. It's really a lifelong process, and it's really a tough job to choose, especially in the current times, and there is so lack of jobs. And one more thing, that throughout your development, your life will change, your circumstances will change, like we update an app in our mobile phones, right? So you also have to update yourself according to the times, right? So you have to choose your career very efficiently and very, we can say, and honestly also, right? Another thing I would like to hear, the goal of career counseling, the goal of this very career counseling is not only to help you make decisions. It's not only about to make decisions that I am going to be a doctor, right, orally, then you need to make now, but another goal is that to give you the knowledge and skills you need to make future career and life decisions. Now, I like Kaushal to continue the proceedings of today's group discussion, so that at the end of this very group discussion, we might be able to know that whatever is, which is possible, or whatever is possible, which job or which career is best for us and which is not. Here is Kaushal.
Thank you so much, sir. So guys, let's start our program. So please raise your hand who wants to share your views on this topic.
If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. This is Shilki of Standard 12 Science C, and today I will put my point of views on this career orientation. As we all know, many students drift towards engineering after PCM, but actually there are a number of career options after having PCM degree. As I want to give an example with a merchant navy, that is highly paid job up to 12,000 to 8 lakh per month. To join merchant navy, you have to qualify IMUCT, that is Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test. Merchant navy is actually a backbone of Indian international trade with huge workers. You can opt a merchant navy by the course of BCA in marine catering. We would like to demonstrate this with a flow chart. After having the degree in PCM, we actually opt only for engineering, which is not actually the only option. We have several ones such as BCA, Merchant Navy, BCA in Fashion Designing, BCA in Maths, Physics, Chemistry, etc. Thank you for listening us.
Good morning everyone, this is Kavya Singh of class 12E, and I am here to express my views on the topic group discussion on career orientation. After opting for biology in class 12, the first and foremost career option that comes in our mind is medical, which is true. But this medical section is divided into further categories, which are doctor, forensic scientist, science writer, pharmacologist, research scientist, and biotechnology. You opted biology because you love studying biology, but now all you can hear around is medical and medical college, which is career which you are not able to see yourself in future. So now here I am standing for all of you living under the misconception that the career option for PCB students after 12 starts and ends with medical is not true. Now it's high time for all of you to wake up and smell the coffee. There are many other career options which are non-medical, which means are not related to medical. There are botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, physiology, food agriculture, and a lot more. My main point of speaking all these things is, no matter whatever you choose as your career, the only thing to do great work is
for your thoughts. It's very inspiring for us, and it always change our views and way of thinking. So anyone else who wants to share your views?
Good morning, I am Shweta from class 9E. I am standing in front of you to share my opinion on career orientation. Career education and guidance play an important role in curriculum that supports student interest. A career can be defined as the sequence of variety of occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life with opportunity for progress. More, career includes life role, activities, learning and work. Know the value of understanding ourselves, our motives and goals. To help us realize that right career fit, here are 5 career orientation with different motivational need that tend to change our time depending and life. Thank you.
Thanks, Sweta. So anyone else who will share your views with us? Yeah, okay.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rishu Kumari of class 9E, and today I'm going to tell you about career. By keeping certain factors in mind, there is plenty of career choice a student can choose from. First, passion. If everyone follows their passion and choose a career accordingly, then the concept of mid-career crisis wouldn't have occurred in the first place. Stability. Financial stability as well as job stability is something that should be considered as important criteria. Future prospects. A mid-career crisis can be avoided if future prospects are evaluated properly. Satisfaction. A good salary, a nice work environment and a good location might give some people the job satisfaction they need. But there are also some people who are not affected by that. The only thing that matters is the job itself. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your thoughts. Another one?
I'm Ansi Sinha, class 12B. I would like to tell what is career orientation. It helps us to gain knowledge about our own interests, abilities and strength. Also help us to gain knowledge about career and related jobs and opportunities. After completing 12, we can opt many courses like MBBS, in which doctors are responsible to treat the patient. Veterinary, if someone loves the animals, he or she can become a veterinary, in which they can treat the animals. Ayurveda, in Ayurveda we can use natural remedies to treat the patients. Homeopathy, in homeopathy the medicine works on the concept of rejuvenates itself due to self-healing power. Physiotherapy, the patient get treatment with physical problems. And in radiotherapy, the medical professional who diagnose injuries using X-rays, CT scan and MRI. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anybody else? Yes, you.
Good morning. This is Priya of class 9. According to me, as my personal opinion, the career orientation is basic talents, values and motives have an impact when decisions are made about careers. To help you clarify your career aspirations and achieve more successful person job fit, this is an assessment tool called the Career Success Map Assurance. It was developed by Dr. Bruce Derter, Global Business and Career Scholars. This solution-focused career development program is made for everyone who wants to enhance their career. Thank you.
Thank you. So next.
Work to acquire, not to become. With these words, I begin my speech. I am good morning to all of you. I am Bhagat Bhagwaj of class 9E. Career is important for one's life because without a career, we are the one who doesn't know that what we have to do after completing our studies. Most of the students that have gathered here, they think that they can choose their career after completing their course of 12th. But as I am in class 9, I cannot choose my career, what I will become, and I don't know what I will become after passing my 12th class exam. But I can prepare myself for the next for my career and for my aim which I want to become. and I want to become a civil servant because civil servant is the backbone of the Indian administration, as they are the one who take proper care of the law and administration of the country. I want to become an IAS, and for that I have always been watching the interviews of IAS from my phone, and I have been always taking interest in the IAS, in the civil servant, in the job of civil servant, because there is lot of we can always learn very much of that job. And I just love watching their interviews and just thinking about them, that what they are thinking of their patients. They have a lot of patience and they are never inconfident about themselves, and they have also very much knowledge. And if my dream comes true, if I become a civil servant, it will be a great pleasure for me, because according to me, that's a true thought, that work to become, not to acquire. Thank you. With these words, I end my speech.
Thank you. Seriously, we have lots of career options, but the thing is what we set our goal. We have first set our goals, after that we can just achieve that dream or whatever that we set our goals. We have to work hard for that, and just not hard work, we have to concentrate on that goals. We have to know about that goals, that how can we achieve that goals. And that's the reason we have lots of career options, but sometimes we fail because we doesn't know about that how we can create or how we can achieve that. So someone else.
Good morning everyone. I am Bhavya Mishra of 9D. From my opinion, I think that basic talents and values and motivates and impact of when discussion are made about career. Career education and guidance play an important role in curriculum that support student strength, interest, and etc. Student achieves and rise at poor outcomes. Students make informed discussion and choose job pathways. Our studies are provided in front of a member of career opinion. We are happy of advice and support considering and including studies and career path. Thank you.
I would like to add a question. If everyone studies, then what else others do? Rather than being an educated person, there are various other jobs that include entrepreneurs. What are means? If everybody studies, then what would the others do? Means our world is being worked by lot of persons. That includes teachers, students, and others. If everybody does a particular job, then who will do the other jobs?
Who wants to answer this question?
The jobs of other depends on their career and it depends on their interest. It is not necessary, because if we all are speaking about our career, then we will just do the particular job. Because many of us are in class 9, we are just discussing about our career. We don't know that when we will grow up, what we will become. So it doesn't mean that if you are asking them what the job others will do, it is about interest. And if a particular person is not interested about the other jobs, then you cannot question like this.
Myself, Dhanraj Kulu of class 12E. Rather than thinking at the usual pace of being an engineer, doctor, lawyer, teacher, we can also add up to be an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur, we do not require an age limit. One can be at the age of 5 or at the age of 30. Rather than just thinking about earning money or having a fame, we could also think about nature. A few months back, two people from California developed a new type of leather which does not require animal flesh. Rather, they use cactus. They process it and they turn the flesh of the outer layer of cactus into leather, which later they produce and use it to make shoes. All over the world, around millions of vehicles are running. Have you ever thought of what happens to the tires which aren't being used? There are only two things that happen to them. Either they are recycled or they are being thrown away, which the thrown up tires pile up at a place and affect the people living at that particular place. But a man from Africa decided to make a change. He recycled the tires and made slippers out of them, slippers and shoes out of them. And he had a belief, and he rather put a warranty on the products he produced, that if the products he supplied last less than a year or two, then he would replace them. With this, the garbage that has been piled up, it is also been recycled, and that the poor people are also able to afford a lot of things which they cannot afford usually. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you all students for your participation and your views, your opinions about different careers in future. But one thing I would like to say, that the important, one of the crucial careers in current times itself is career counseling. There is a higher need of career counselors in the society. Right? You might have seen in the Facebook, in YouTube, and in different social platforms, right? The career counselors, right? One person I remember that I think some Maheshwari is there, right? So there is need of such or we can say those persons who give some points, or we can say while a person is in depression, right? Those persons are called them some therapists, right? So that's another. This is apart from this literary career, right? Career counseling itself is an important job, right? Which has gained its recognition in the recent times. So with this, we would like to conclude this very discussion, and I hope all of you might have understood that what you have to do, what you got to do in the future, right? According to your values, according to your capabilities, and according to your one more important thing is that while choosing a career, one must keep his financial condition in mind. For example, if you want to become a doctor, so you must keep in mind that what is the financial condition of the family. Otherwise, you must gain or you must be so much extra brilliant that some universities or colleges they can give you some fellowship, etc. Right? So if we go on discussing this very topic, it will take maybe more than 2-3 days, right? So without taking that much time, or without taking extra 2 or 3 minutes, we just conclude this very topic, right? I'm hoping that you all might have gained some this confidence, or we can say some things which you were unaware of about your career, right? So with these words, I again thank all of you for your contribution, for your participation in this very good discussion. Thank you all.